What's going on? Today we are going to continue welding in the panel that's on the inside of the car and then weld in the panel that I prepped yesterday. It's two more things, so let me get the welder set up and start welding inside the car. So I'm actually going to record myself welding. I'll put the camera behind me so you guys you won't see the actual flash or the arc, but you'll see me welding it. Alright, so I welded in this piece. Still have a few spots that I could see some pinholes through, so I'll have to go back and fix that after I grind this initial set of welds down. Now, you're probably looking at something like this. Excuse me. And something like this, and like this, and going, well, you didn't get any penetration, and it's just sitting too high up. For this guy, for the big burly boy, for some reason my welder kept going after I let go of the trigger, so that's why it's sticking out so much. I had to like pull the gun away. And then for these two, it was actually my attempt to cover up a small pinhole in between the welds. I usually try to go halfway on the previous weld so it kind of stacks up nicely. It pulled up. It is what it is. Gonna sand this down, we'll grind it down, and then go around again and fill in any holes. Anyways, I was able to finish this spot up. I still have a few spots to grind down, as well as a couple of pinholes that I have to weld in, and then just give it a final sanding to make it all even and uniform, and then coat it. But the weather outside is terrible. I am closing up the garage for today. Still got a little bit done, which is always good. Any progress is always good. Super excited about hitting 100 subscribers. So continue liking my videos, continue subscribing, and if anybody wants to comment. Thanks.